Here's a question, guys. Is there still stigma around LGBTQ plus relationships in 2024?
Okay. This is very, very...
This is very sensitive,
I know.
I say yes.
Prepare to be bashed,
I say
guys.
yes. Because, of course, in the Philippines, ako pananaw ko lang dito, we're still a very religiously driven country, whether it's, the different religions, Catholic, Christian, Muslims, everything. We're a very religious country.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then on top of that, conservative din. Meron tayong, of course, we have the city people who's free, who's liberated, pero meron pa rin tayong probinsya ways.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? So, that's why if you notice films, especially film fest times, may mga movies silang ginagawa, like Private Benjamin, may mga lessons behind it.
Yeah.
Kasi nga sometimes, ang topics naging ganyan, yung nasa balita pa when you watch it, diba? Sometimes, isang member ng LGBT na ganun sa isang crime, nagiging sensationalized, but they don't show the good parts of it. So I think it's very, very crucial up to now.
Yeah. Like for me naman, wala naman, I don't really care. I mean, lahat naman tayo, we're all different, you know.
We just respect
So, we just respect whatever, kung anong meron. Respect lang. Sabi nga nila, love wins, di ba?
Yeah.
So, respect everyone. Yun lang yung sa akin.
From my respect and protect. Protect yourself as well at the same time. Don't be promiscuous. Don't go messing around. You know that, the other person, your partner won't get pregnant. Doesn't mean that you're not going to have no condom and go left and right. You know what I mean? People could get sick quick. You know what I mean? So regardless of what sex you are, practice safe sex. So I know we were talking about dildos earlier, but practice safe sex.
Yeah, no, and everybody...
Don't share dildos.
And respect. Respect
Yeah,
talaga.
and
That's the
everybody
most important thing.
deserves to be happy.
Yeah.
Then, but I don't really have any strong opinions about it. It's just sometimes nakakalito lang siya.
Yes,
Yeah.
Kasi
it's
diba,
very confusing.
people say sometimes, lalo na ngayon sa States, diba, na parang identify your gender, male, sex, others, and then you have to...
Pero alam mo, in fairness, nakakalito din talaga. You know what? There was one point in my life that I thought na part ako ng LGBTQ kasi I had this, favorite actress of mine. Parang nagkaroon ng challenge in a game. And then kinis niya ako sa lips. Di ako nakatulog. Rico, 3 araw.
Nalito ka, na-turn on ka kasi.
Oo, parang oh my God. Oh my God, mag-change na ba ako ng ano?
Parang lang the other day nung magkasama tayo, di ba?
Sabi ko talaga, oh my God, hindi ako makatulog. Tapos, alam mo yung naging theme song ko for 3 days? Yung, I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Ayun.
Taste of her cherry chapsticks. Oh my God. Talaga sabi ko, my God, kinis ako sa lips ng favorite ko na artista. Hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino, pero it starts with letter A. So, nagbigay ng clue.
Alamin ko yan. Letter.
Basta idol ko siya nung
Alam
bata
ko
ako.
na, letter J.
Hindi. J?
Oo, kagabi, kasama mo.
Hindi.
Sino,
Letter
sino?
I. Tsara. Basta crush ng bayan
Isidro
yun.
Agot.
No. Hindi. Ano yun? Straight yun. But straight din naman siya. Pero I mean it was a challenge. Pero parang 3 days akong hindi nakatulog. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God. Tapos bigla na naginip ako one day. Tapos yung panaginip ko, I had a girlfriend daw. Tapos yung girlfriend ko, pinag-go down daw niya ako. Nagising ako, ayoko pala ng
To go down?
Ayoko pala ng shell. Gusto ko pa rin pala pure foods.
Pero,
So I therefore
are you
conclude.
open to like if a girl goes down on you? Does that make you...
Yun na nga yung hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi ko na
If a girl
panaginipan
goes
yun.
down on you, but you're straight,
Kasi
what does
yung
that make you?
panaginip ko, ako yung pinag-go down.
Ah.
Pero siguro it's a different story if the girl ko.
Di ba? If you look at
Pero
it.
I don't know. Parang, hindi
Kunyari,
ko yata, I cannot imagine.
Kunyari, lasing ako. Tapos kasama ko, bro, biglang chups, whatever. Tapos ako parang hindi ko alam, lasing ako eh. Kala ko, si Bibi, biglang pagtingin ko. Kala ko si Bibi, pagtingin ko si JP pala. Hindi ko alam. So, does that make me... Nag-enjoy ako eh. Nasarapan ako, hindi ko na maalam.
Oh my
lasing nga
gosh!
ako. So, I'm confused.
Oh my gosh, Rico.
Would that make me confused? I'm just a question. Di ba?
Hindi. Ano yun? I mean
I think this is what we
ikaw,
need to
ikaw
bring
ba, how
in-
will you feel? How will you feel if that happens to you?
Afterwards. Because if you were unconscious at the time...
And then the next day you find out that it was a guy, what will you
I'll
feel?
be like, confused.
You'd be confused.
And then you
No,
enjoyed.
I'll be pissed off. But I'll be confused. Like, what has happened? I mean, I'll be like that. So,
You're confused kasi what just
yeah.
happened.
So, ganun. Pero,
So kasi akala mo si Phoebe yun.
Oo. Sabi
not
sabi ko
sexually
sa
confused.
baby, may taping pa ako bukas, dalian mo.
No, but you
Ako, iba naman kasi pagdating sa guys eh. I mean, like, I think pagdating sa girls, it's different. Because girl to girl, nakaka-turn on siya, di ba? I mean, like, for
Kasi
men.
like,
But pag lalaki sa lalaki, parang iba yung pakiramdam. I mean, I just heard it from my other friends.
that's why I want to be more knowledgeable about this. So we have to talk to somebody. Could be, Boy Abunda or somebody.
Or maybe we can invite
Some
Rika.
authority.
Maybe we can invite Rika.
time for a
Hey,
shot.
okay, time for hold on, shots. Let's go.
Time for
Shot
shots.
clock, shot clock.
Thank
This is.
you. Wait.
Oh my God.
Okay,
Guys,
let's go.
kung ano nung sasabihin ko dito pagkatapos
Cheers.
nitong shot na to.
Cheers,
Ito na yun,
everybody.
third.
Umiinit na ang panahon, guys.
Thank you, Daddy Butch.
No, but you know what they
Puro
say.
kami dito We're pure when
You
it comes to
you know
shots.
what they say, right? Kapag girl, mas alam niya how to please the
Same,
girl.
same with guys then.
Kasi
Kasi
yung-
we know the veins and the arteries and
Yeah.
the nerves and all
Actually,
that.
yung mga teachers ko nga dyan, yung mga friends ko na LGBTQ. Thank you guys for teaching me. I'm now a master of...
Wow! Girl,
I'm just
patuloy
kidding.
naman.
It's sure ko sa'yo. Ariko ha, alam mo
Alam
na ha.
ninenervous ako sa inyo. Parang magti-3 sa mandating nito. Diba? Parang, okay, magdodraw na ako guys
Go.
Okay.